Hello everyone, welcome to Odoo Amazon Connector video guide powered by ME Pro. In today's video, we will be discussing about how to update shipment or the tracking information of FBM orders to Amazon. So let us begin. Now, before we move on with how to update those shipment or the tracking information to Amazon, let us first see how to set the tracking reference information in Odoo for a delivery order. For that, I go to Sales and I'll try to open an order. We are considering this as an Amazon order and I went to the delivery order. So here, I'll try to edit this record. I go to additional info and here you can see there is a field that says tracking reference. So you can just put in your tracking reference number over here and you can just save this one and just validate the delivery order. In case if you are having multiple tracking reference number, you can just have a comma separated list and you can just put it over here. Now there are chances for some sellers they have multiple packages and they want to track individual packages with individual tracking reference numbers. So in that case, they first need to generate the packages in Odoo. Now to generate packages in Odoo, we need to enable a configuration first. So to see that configuration, let us go to Inventory, Configuration, Settings. So to load up the settings screen, and here is an option that says delivery packages. So by enabling this option on the delivery orders, you will be able to generate the packages, and then under those packages you will be able to set the tracking reference numbers. So this configuration is already been done for the demonstration. So now let us go to one of the sales order and I go to the delivery order. I try to edit this record. So as I've enabled that option on my inventory settings, you can see there is a button that says put in pack. So now you can generate packages for these products over here. So let's say I am putting these 10 products into one of the package. I click on put in pack. So here at the top you can see a power box or a smart box appears which will show you the information of your packages. Now I try to add the remaining 2 products to another package. Okay, I click again on the put in pack. Okay, so the packages information is now updated. Now let's put in the tracking reference numbers as per the packages. So I click on packages. So here you can see there are 2 packages been generated. I click on package 3 and edit this one, and you can see there is a field that says additional reference. So I can put in the tracking reference number over here. Save this one. I edit the another package. So under the packages you can see the information of which products are set under this package. So I have set those tracking reference individually for individual packages. Now, so this is how we have set the tracking reference number on my delivery order. Now let us see how to update this tracking reference number or the shipment information to Amazon. For that we go to Amazon. Now there are 2 possible ways by which you can update the tracking information for FBM orders to Amazon. For the first one, that is the automated process, I go to configuration and Amazon settings. I'll select my seller over here under the Amazon seller settings. Under it, under the FBM order section, there is an option that says auto update FBM order status. So if I enable this option, you can just set the details for your scheduled jobs for updating the FBM order status automatically. So this was the first way, that is the automated way. Based on a scheduled job, you can update the status of your delivery orders to Amazon. So in this case, system will consider all those delivery orders which are yet not been updated to Amazon about the status and which are already validated in Odoo. So it will collect all those delivery orders and update the information in Odoo. Once that information is updated at Amazon, it will mark these delivery orders with a flag so that on the next execution, these delivery orders will not be considered for updating the status. So this was the automated process. Now we will see the second possible way, that is the manual way. For that, I go to Amazon Odoo menu, Amazon operations, and under the instances, you can see there are certain marketplaces that have been listed over here. So if I enable this option, update order status, so for these marketplaces, all those delivery orders whose status is yet not been updated at Amazon and which are validated in Odoo will be considered, and the status and the tracking reference numbers will be updated at Amazon. And again, all those delivery orders will be marked with a flag so that on the next execution, those delivery orders will not be considered. So we have seen that how to set the tracking reference numbers individually as well as in terms of setting them with the packages. Then we have seen how we can update the order status of FBM orders to Amazon. One of the way is the automated process. The second one, that is the manual process.
Thank you very much for watching the video. We hope the video was useful. AmyPro specializes in customization, consultancy, and support for any Odoo services. Feel free to contact us on www.amyprotechnologies.com.